The tolling of the Balangiga bells during the Philippine-American War on September 28, 1901 signaled the launch of an ambush by Filipinos in Balangiga against Company C of the 9th Infantry Regiment. In retaliation, Balangiga was turned into howling wilderness. The American soldiers then took the 3 bells from Balangiga as war trophies. One was brought to Camp Red Cloud, South Korea, and the other 2 to Warren Air Force Base, Cheyenne, Wyoming, USA. To the Americans, the bells were war relics and symbols of honoring their dead heroes and patriots. To Filipinos, the Balangiga raid led by Katipunan Infantry Captain Eugenio Salazar Daza under the command of General Vicente Lucban was an act of defiance against the Americans, a defense of their dignity and their freedom. The bells therefore represented the Filipino struggle and the suffering that they endured, signifying their bravery, courage, and heroism. The return of Balangiga church bells is a sensitive matter, one that has seriously affected the people-to-people relationships between the Americans and Filipinos. But time, as they say, heals all wounds and changes circumstances. Former enemies are now friends. Americans and Filipinos have since become staunch allies, fighting and standing shoulder to shoulder in nearly all wars and battles throughout history. They stood as brothers in the battlefields of Bataan, Corregidor, and the Korean Peninsula, and helped each other in Vietnam and other places across the globe. This ironclad friendship makes both nations stronger in the continuing fight against terrorism and violent extremism, ensuring the security and stability of the Asia-Pacific region. As both nations moved forward, several efforts to return the Balangiga bells were initiated by both sides. In 1958, Father Horacio de la Costa wrote to American military historian Chip Wards seeking help in the return of the bells that were then in the possession of the U.S. Air Force. This request was followed up a year later by American Franciscan priests of Gihulngan Negros Oriental. In 1989, the Balangiga Historical Society, through the National Historical Institute and the Department of Foreign Affairs, petitioned the U.S. government for the return of the town's church bells. The following year, Philippine Defense Secretary Fidel V. Ramos and U.S. Defense Secretary and former Wyoming Congressman Dick Cheney commenced negotiations for the bells' return. When Fidel Ramos became president, he proposed a one original, one replica sharing formula of the bells to appease both Filipino and American sentiments. In the U.S., the National Federation of Filipino-American Associations passed a resolution supporting the return of the Balangiga bells and created a task force for the purpose. In the Philippines, several legislative resolutions have been filed seeking for the return of the bells by both chambers of the Philippine Congress. Over the years, various organizations worked hard for the return of the bells, including the U.S.-Philippine Society based in the United States led by Henry Howard. The advocacy was shared by several veterans organizations and individuals, Filipinos and Americans alike. The importance of the bells were once again brought to the fore by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his 2017 State of the Nation address. And so, after more than half a century's worth of initiatives, U.S. President Donald Trump signed the U.S. National Defense Authorization Act of 2018, authorizing Defense Secretary James Mattis to decide on the matter of returning the Balangiga bells to the Philippines. Immediately, bilateral talks between Secretary Mattis and Philippine Secretary of National Defense Delfin Lorenzana followed.
History teaches us that nations with allies thrive. With allies thrive. And it reminds us too, history reminds us that all wars end. In returning the bells of Balangiga to our ally and our friend, the Philippines, we pick up our generation's responsibility to deepen the respect between our peoples, linking the Western people of the great state of Wyoming with people in Eastern Philippines.
Finally, after 117 years, the Balangiga bells, which are important icons of Filipino heritage and identity, are home, back to Balangiga, where they truly belong. After serving as grim reminders of violence, hatred, and division, the Balangiga bells shall henceforth toll for all humanity, as symbols of peace, hope, and friendship.